evening to The Angle. I am Chavi. Let's take a look today's headline. Devotees take dip during Shahi Snan at Kumbh Mela. Administration alert for cradle of Corona guidelines. Prime Minister Modi is holding an election rally in Bengal. PM Modi said that Didi's inning in Bengal is over. Gehlot government is on alert mode. Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot has indicated sign of being strict about the growing cases of corona. Curfew imposed in Bara Chhabra in Rajasthan after communal violence. Internet shutdown. Thousands of devotees gathered in Haridwar to take a part of Shahi Snan. Several devotees took a holy bath in the Ganga river at Har Ki Pauri in Haridwar. The holy dip comes amid the COVID-19 scare as the general public has been allowed at the Brahm Kund only till 7 am, post which the area will be reserved for akhadas. Devotees, however, has been allowed to take the holy dip on other ghats. General public will be allowed here till 7 am. After that, this area will be reserved for akhadas. A stamped-like situation may arise if we will try to enforce social distancing at that ghat. So we are unable to enforce social distancing here. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is holding an election rally for fifth phase of voting in Bengal. PM Modi lashed out at Mamata Banerjee in Bardhaman, Bengal. At the rally, Prime Minister Modi asked the public, from where Didi brings such a bitterness? Not only this, the PM further said that in Nandigram, the people of Bengal made Didi's clean bold. Didi's inning in Bengal is over. Senior Congress leader P. Chidambaram on hit out the BJP government for their COVID-19 vaccination strategy, saying that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's call to Chief Minister to organize a Tika Utsav in nothing but rhetoric and hyperbole to cover up the way the centre has messed up management of the production and supply side of the vaccine. With several states reporting vaccine shortage, the Congress has been aggressively cautioned the central government inoculation strategy. Congress President Sonia Gandhi had Saturday argued that the government has mismanaged the situation, exported vaccines and allow a shortage to be created in India. India's COVID-19 caseload has increased 1.68 lakh at last 24 hours. That took the country's active count to 12.01 lakh as per the official data released on Monday morning. India now has 1,21,56,529 coronavirus infections, of which 12,01,009 are active cases. In the last 24 hours, 75,086 recoveries and 904 deaths were also recorded. With this, the country COVID-19 recoveries has increased to 1,21,56,529 and the death toll has soared to 1.70 lakh. 5 states, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh and Kerala cumulative account for the majority of India's total active COVID-19 cases. 10 states, namely Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Punjab, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Rajasthan accounts for over 86% of the new COVID-19 related deaths. Actor Sonu Sood had been made the brand ambassador for anti-coronavirus vaccination program in Punjab. During the coronavirus-induced lockdown last year, the actor had helped migrants reach their home states. Sood catapulted to the national spotlights of the feeding thousands of underprivileged people amid the COVID-19 pandemic. He was viewed as a messiah of short of migrants. Punjab Chief Minister Amrinder Singh made the announcement a day after his meeting with the actor, who called on him at his residence. After the increasing of the coronavirus cases in Rajasthan government on alert mode. Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot is constantly taking stock to the situation by taking a review meeting regarding the corona infection. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot has indicated sign of being strict about the growing cases of corona. Though he has denied the lockdown but has said that take a tough measures. It is being said that in a day or two, Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot is going to take strict steps regarding the corona. under which the scope of the night curfew will be increased as well as the time of curfew. At the same time, there is also discussion that the Gehlot government is going to implement the suggestion that came during the review meeting. It is being said that a new guidelines will be issued in 1 or 2 days to prevent corona infection. A dialogue of PCC Chief and Education Minister Govind Singh Dotasra's Nathi Ka Bada is trending top. But in the midst of all this, the new proverb is also become fiercely viral. BJP leader Rajendra Rathod has used this proverb while attacking the Congress in Sujangarh. Rajendra Rathod has used the word Khala Ka Bada. He took on the Congress in a threatening manner. Actually, it happened that some youngster started shouting slogan of Narendra Modi Zindabad, Khema Ram Murdabad in a ward meeting. When Rathod started his class, he went to the other corner and started shouting slogan of Congress Zindabad. After that, Rathod said that now you have come or not, the real face of your people in the front of you. This is not a Khalaji Ka Bada. Now its video is going viral. Curfew has also been imposed in Chhabra town of Bara district on Monday. Internet is also closed. Around 50,000 population of the town is imprisoned in homes. Neither milk nor water was supplied to the people since morning. After Sunday's communal riots, a large number of people lines were also burnt. In fact, the incident on Saturday evening involving a minor fiasco took the form of major disturbance on Sunday. The administration imposed curfew in the town from 4 p.m. on Sunday. Around 1,000 personnel have been deployed in the town. Thank you for watching. Good night.